Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to enable or disable Microsoft Defender Antivirus in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Microsoft Defender Antivirus is built into Windows 11 to provide real-time protection against malware and threats. Whether you're troubleshooting or installing trusted software, knowing how to toggle it on or off can be useful. Disable Microsoft Defender Antivirus temporarily. This method is suitable for short-term use, such as installing software that Defender flags incorrectly. Steps: open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Launch the Windows Security app. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Toggle Real-Time Protection to off. Confirm the prompt by clicking Yes. Optional: disable tamper protection if you plan to modify Defender settings from outside the Windows Security app. Note: real-time protection will automatically re-enable after a restart or some time. Disable Microsoft Defender Antivirus permanently. This method requires safe mode and registry edits. Steps: boot into safe mode. Press Windows key +R, type msconfig, and enable Safe Boot under the Boot tab. Then restart your PC. Press Windows key +R, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to the following, one by one. For each of the following folders, set the key start value to 4. This prevents Defender services from starting. If needed, enter the system configuration again, and disable Safe Boot under the Boot tab. Then restart your PC. Re-enable Microsoft Defender Antivirus. To undo the registry changes, boot into safe mode. Restore the key start values too. Important notes: disabling Defender exposes your system to potential threats. If performance is a concern, consider using a lightweight third-party antivirus instead of disabling protection entirely. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.